Let's start by cleaning and cutting up 4 to 5 cups of strawberries or more if you prefer. After you get those all cut up, just put them in a bowl and add a 1/4 cup of sugar and then stir those up and set them aside, and they will release some of the strawberry juices. I'll also be adding a strawberry glaze to these strawberries right before I put them on the shortcakes. So after you've set the strawberries aside in a separate bowl, combine 1/3 cup of sugar and 2 cups of self-rising flour, and just whisk those together to get the sugar and the flour combined very well. After you get that mixed together, then cut up 1½ sticks of butter, and it doesn't matter if it's salted or unsalted, and it can be cold as well. After you get that cut up, you're just going to put that in the flour mixture and mix it with a pastry blender or a couple forks or your fingers, however you prefer to do it. And just mix that into the flour very well. So it'll just take a couple of minutes to mix the butter in well with the flour, and it'll be about the size of small little peas when you're done. And then you're going to go ahead and slowly add in 2/3 cups of milk. And don't overwork this dough, just gently mix it in. Just add half of it and then go ahead and add in the other half. I'm going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. You don't have to do that. You can use nonstick spray or spread a little oil on the pan. And then I'm using a scoop that holds about 1/3 of a cup, almost 1/3 of a cup. And that just makes it very easy to transfer the dough onto the cookie sheet. And I guess I should say preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And you want to bake these on the middle rack for about 15 minutes. While the shortcakes are cooling, I'm going to go ahead and put 1/3 of a cup of a store-bought glaze. Mix it in with the strawberries, because as the strawberries sat for a while, they did release a lot of juice and it became very juicy, and this glaze just thickens that up a little bit. Then I'm going to just start layering it on a plate, individual servings. Just add one of the shortcakes, top that with as much of the strawberries as you want. And I have a tub of whipped topping, and I'm just going to put that on top of the strawberries, and it's done. And it tastes delicious. I hope you give this a try. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.